What's up, guys? It's your boy Johnny LSX. So guys, today we're going to be assembling Jerry's truck, doing a light cut and buff so we can return to him tomorrow. So guys, right here, that was the first step.
Doing the second step.
And they're gonna do the second step right now. So guys, that right there was the second stop of the cut and buff. Sheesh. Came out nice. Look at that. We did a light cut and buff because the paint is still fresh. And we're also assembling the door panels, putting the side mirrors on. Installing all the new, well not new, but resprayed black trim. The side mirrors.
Alright guys, we're putting back Jerry Tweek's truck back together because we're about to take off tonight to his house. Check it out right here. Just cut and buff today. Looking shiny. Hey, my friend, you need help right here? Let me help you out.
Yeah,
you know what you're doing?
Yes, sir. I know what I'm doing.
All right, let me see.
This side, the door panel's already on. Just gotta bolt it up.
Yes, sir.
Put the rest of the trim. ¿Verdad, negro?
Yeah, about to wash it right now.
About to wash it right now.
Shiny.
Gonna wash it, put wax and ceramic coat it, and vámonos. Still gotta put on the rear bumper, the tailgate trim, the trim that goes alongside of the bed right here. Gotta put the tail lights, the third brake light on, the headlights, the grill, the front bumper. But yeah, this is what we're doing right now. This side's already done. Look at that. And this is a light cut and buff. Once it's fully dried, you go ahead and cut it some more and buff it out some more. What you doing, negro?
I don't know, but I'm doing something. I'm just putting the little trim on.
Negro right here cleaning the passenger side. Still gotta clean the seats.
Need to get ready.
Putting on the weather strip. Clean the door panel. Clean this right here. the dust off of the buffing compound. So what we're doing right now is we're connecting the power washer. So we go ahead and rinse this truck off. My boy Negro photos right here.
Yes, sir. About to put in that work.
Oh shit! What is this? No mames.
What the fuck are you doing, Javier?
What the fuck, Javier? A Javier le pagan por milla, no por hora.
No, le pagan por hora, no por mía.
Fuck. What happened, Negro?
I don't know, I tried that.
Well, your shit.
Puro dick. No sirve la manguera, güey.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put that one.
Fuck. We almost died here.
It's okay, it's okay.
Fuck. Fucking motor is all steaming and shit, Negro.
Too much HPs.
Too much. Fuck. Negro finally got it to work. So guys, we're here hand washing Jerry's truck con el compa negro y el compa rosado. We got the handles on, the mirrors, all the trim for the bed. So guys, what we're doing right now is I got a steel wool and some soap, and I'm removing any little bit of overspray that the window may have or had. So we had to remove the decals so we could clean it up good. We're gonna remove this one right here, but you can't get another one of this one. And do this one next. Steel wool. Remove any dirt or overspray that the glass had. Just like that. Onto the one on the back. On the tighten window, put a little bit of soap. Let's do this one real quick. Don't forget about the sunroof. And that's how you remove overspray off the windows, with some soap and a little steel wool. Fine. So guys, this is how the truck came out. We just finished washing it and cleaning up the billets, a little bit of polish on them. But up next, we're gonna go ahead and do our ceramic coat and then wax it. There's some areas around the truck that we still gotta buff it out, but so far it's looking good. Sheesh, came out nice. Right now we're assembling the front bumper, so we go ahead and install it.
I'll make a music video right now. Let's get to work now.
Right here, assembling Jerry's front bumper, installing the lower valance.
Just pretend I'm fucking screwing in.
Aquí los compas installing Jerry's front bumper, ¿verdad, paisa?
Sí, no.
Aquí el compa rosado, el compa rosado.
Rosado tiene.
Rosado tengo la verga, Johnny. De tanto que cojo, güey. Ahí para la morra que quiera.
Ya lo enojaron al niño.
Nadie, güey.
No creo.
Nadie, güey. Vamos a apretarlo.
What the hell is that?
Front bumper's on, looking nice. Look at that.